In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Hostinger email to Gmail in just a few minutes. Let's get started by opening up your Gmail account. Go ahead and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice a gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is the settings menu where we need to head next. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down with various options. What we want is to access all of the settings, so find and click on See All Settings. Now that we're in the settings menu, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where we're going to do most of our setup. Next, find the option to add a mail account and click on it. A new window will appear, prompting you to add the email address that you want to forward. Here, type in your Hostinger email address and hit Next. The following step will ask for your password. Make sure to enter the password associated with your Hostinger email account. After that, we're going to need some information from Hostinger. Head over to your Hostinger account, and once you're there, click on Mails. You'll then want to click on Manage, and from there, find Connect Apps and Devices. This page will provide the POP server information you'll need. Copy the POP server details and the port number, then return to your Gmail settings where you left off. Paste this information into the appropriate fields. It's important to take a moment to ensure everything is filled out correctly. After that, you'll see several checkboxes. Check the first four to ensure everything is set up to function as needed. With all this done, click Add Account. You'll then get an option that says, Yes, I want to be able to send mail as. Select this option and click Next. Now, we're going to need to fetch details from Hostinger again. This time you will need the SMTP server and port information. Back in Hostinger, find this information under the same Connect Apps and Devices section. Once you have it, return to Gmail and paste the SMTP server and port details accordingly. Remember that your username is your email address itself, so go ahead and type that in along with your password. Once done, click Add Account to finalize the setup. Gmail will then send a confirmation email to your Hostinger email address. Head back to Hostinger and check your inbox for this confirmation email. You might have to wait a moment for it to appear, but once it does, follow the instructions within to complete the forwarding process. And that's it! Your Hostinger emails should now be forwarding to your Gmail account seamlessly. If you have any issues, make sure to go back and double check each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.